Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a kitchen spice could lift your energy, calm your mind, even protect your brain? Stay with me. What you're about to hear might just change the way you see ginger forever. Ginger. It's not just a spicy kick in your stir-fry or the heat in your favorite tea. For me, it began with just one tiny habit, adding a slice of ginger to my morning routine. What happened next surprised me. It wasn't just easier digestion, it was clarity, more energy, a brighter, calmer state of mind. Let's slow down and take a closer look. Beyond the facts and headlines, this is real life with ginger as a quiet companion. Here's how it's changed my day-to-day, and how it might change yours too. When I first started drinking ginger tea each morning, I wasn't expecting much. But what I got was almost like a digestive reset. Less bloating. Meals felt lighter. My gut calmer. The science supports it too. Ginger triggers the release of bile and digestive juices. Think of it like giving your digestion a gentle push start, especially helpful on heavy or stressful days. We're quick to reach for supplements, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Whenever I feel a cold coming on, I brew ginger tea. And honestly, it usually doesn't last as long. That's because ginger amps up your immune cells, like white blood cells and macrophages. Some studies even suggest antiviral effects. It's not hype, it's your body, supported by nature. Motion sickness, stomach bugs, pregnancy nausea. Ginger's been used for centuries for a reason. I've relied on it during long road trips. My cousin used it through her entire pregnancy, swore by it. Here's a trick: simmer fresh ginger with lemon and honey. It soothes your stomach and gently relaxes your entire system. This one caught me off guard. I noticed, over time, that ginger didn't just help my body, it helped my mind. I felt more focused, less anxious. Turns out, ginger reduces inflammation in the brain, even oxidative stress. And those things are deeply linked to anxiety, mood dips, even Alzheimer's. Who knew such a humble root could offer that kind of support? One of my closest friends suffers from migraines. She tried switching from her usual meds to ginger capsules. To her surprise, the pain faded faster, and without the side effects. Ginger interacts with pain receptors and improves blood flow. It's not a miracle cure, but it's gentle, natural, and worth a try. Managing blood sugar isn't always about cutting everything sweet. For me, it was about timing. I started drinking ginger tea before meals. The crashes? Gone. Studies back it up. Ginger can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting glucose. For those managing prediabetes or type 2, it's a quiet but powerful ally. When stress hits hard, I turn to ginger. My go-to? A warm tea, ginger and chamomile. Calms me without knocking me out. That's because ginger gently reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. And when I pair it with breath work, it's a routine that resets my nervous system. A family member with asthma tried something new, ginger. We read about its potential to open airways and reduce inflammation. And after just a week, her nighttime coughing eased up. Now, let's be clear, it's not a replacement for medication, but it's an amazing support that complements her usual care. Here's something remarkable. Studies are beginning to show ginger may slow brain aging by reducing amyloid plaque, the kind seen in Alzheimer's. In simple terms, ginger might help keep your mind clearer longer. What's more powerful than that? Of course, even natural remedies have their limits. I learned the hard way. Too much ginger? It can cause heartburn. And if you're on blood thinners or have certain conditions, it's best to talk to your doctor first. Natural doesn't mean risk-free. Be mindful. Be informed. Ginger isn't just a spice. It's a quiet healer, a daily ritual, a natural companion in a noisy world. From energy and immunity to clarity and calm, this little root has earned a permanent place in my life. Have you tried ginger? What's your story? Leave a comment. I'd truly love to hear. If this resonated with you, give it a like. Subscribe for more honest, grounded wellness advice that actually makes a difference. And remember, sometimes the smallest habits, like a slice of ginger, lead to the biggest transformations. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.